Hello everyone, welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice algebra math Olympiad problem and we are to find the value of x. So we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus x plus 4 all raised to the power of 2, and this is equals to what? 44. But we want to simply know that if we have a plus b all square, this is equals to a square plus 2ab plus what? B square. Alright, so applying this, we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus. Now for x plus 4 raised to the power of 2, we want to apply this property where a is equals to x and b is equals to what? 4. So we have this to be x squared plus 2 multiply a, which is x, multiply b, which is 4, plus b square, which is 4 square, and this is equals to what? 44. So we have x raised to the power of 3 plus what? X squared plus 2 multiply x multiply 4 is going to give us what? 8x plus 4 square is 16, and this is equals to what? 44. So the next thing we want to do is to rearrange and set the equation to 0. So we have x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 44, and this is equals to 0. We have x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 44 is going to give us minus 28, and this is equals to what? 0. So at this point, we want to apply the rational roots theorem. So applying the rational roots theorem, we want to simply look for all the possible factors of what? 28. We have the possible roots to be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 7, plus minus 14, and plus minus was 28. Alright, so we want to simply solve for which of this is a root. So we're going to say at x equals to 1, we have this to be 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 2 plus 8 multiply 1 minus 28, and this is equals to 0. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 8 multiply 1 is 8 minus 28, and this is not equal to what? 0. Alright, so we have been able to verify for x equals to 1. So let's go verify for x equals to what? 2. Alright, so for x equals to 2, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 8 multiply 2 minus 28, and this is equals to what? 0. So this is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 plus 8 multiplied 2 is 16 minus was 28, and this is equals to 0. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 16 28, 28 minus 28 is 0, so 0 is equals to what? 0. So therefore we can say that x equals to 2 is a solution to this polynomial right here. So if x equals to 2 is a solution, then we can easily say that x minus 2 is a what? Root. Alright, so I've been able to find the first root right here. So the next thing we want to do is to simply divide the polynomial, and the polynomial is given as x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared plus 8x minus 28. You want to divide this by the root, which is what? X minus what? 2. Alright, so doing this right here by applying the long division, we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared plus 8x minus 28 divide x minus 2. So x divide x cube, we have this to be x square multiply x is x cube, x square multiply negative 2, we have this to be negative 2x square. So if we subtract this right here, x cube minus x cube is 0. So if we have x square minus minus 2x square, this is x square plus 2x square, and this is equals to what? 3x square. So we have 3x square plus 8x minus what? 28. So we divide x divide 3x square, we have this to be plus 3x. 3x multiply x is going to give us 3x square, plus times minus is minus. 3x times 2 is going to give us what? 6x. So if we subtract this, we have this to be 8x minus minus 6x. So we have 8x plus what? 6x, which is equals to what? 14x. So we have 14x minus what? 28. X divide 14x, we have this to be plus 14. 14 multiply x is 14x minus 14 multiply 2 is going to give us what? 28. And if we subtract this, we have this to be 0 0. So hence we have the quotient to be given as x squared plus 3x plus what? 14. Alright, so we want to simply solve this quadratic what? Equation. So we're going to apply the quadratic formula that says x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divide what? 2a, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to what? 14. Alright, so we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of b square, which is 3 square, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 14, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 3 square is 9, minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 14 is going to give us what, 56, divide 2 multiply 1 is what, 2. So we have this to be x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 9 minus 56 is going to give us minus 47, divide what, 2. So we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 47 multiply negative 1 divide 2, but we know that if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equals to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 47 multiply the square root of negative 1 divide what, 2, but the square root of negative 1 is equals to what, I. So we have that x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 47i divide what, 2, and this becomes the value of what, x. So we have been able to find the three values of x. So we have that x equals to 2 is the first solution, and we also have this to be the values of x. So we are going to say hence the values of x. We have that x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 47i divide what, 2, and this becomes the final what, answer. So guys, we have been able to solve this nice algebra math problem. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.